Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming paint type and wood condition. This determines method choice. Put on gloves, goggles, and a P95 respirator and lay down drop cloths to protect surrounding areas. If using chemical stripper, apply a 1/8 to 1/4 inch coat, wait per product instructions, and watch for lifting. If heat stripping, keep gun moving to avoid scorching. You want paint to soften or bubble before you begin scraping with a plastic or metal scraper at a low angle. Once paint lifts, scrape in the direction of the grain to avoid gouging, using smaller tools on trim and profiles for access. When scraping is complete, sand progressively. Begin with 80-120 grit to remove remaining film, then move to 180-220 grit for a smooth surface. Always sand with the grain to prevent scratches. If stubborn spots remain, apply a second round of stripper or use an oscillating tool with a wood-safe blade. Finally, wipe with mineral spirits to remove residue and let the wood dry completely. You finish by inspecting for missed paint, dents, or raised grain. Use wood filler for small gouges, sand smooth, and clean again. Apply a wood conditioner or primer to ensure even absorption, then proceed with stain or paint per product directions. If paint or stain bleed shows through later, apply a shellac wash or a stain-blocking primer to seal tannins. If a patch looks uneven, feather sand the edges and recoat locally. These steps ensure a uniform final appearance and long-lasting adhesion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.